How to edit Squarespace mobile site. So first, go to your website. Next, look for the mobile view icon here at the top right corner. Just click on it. Okay, now you will see the mobile view of your website. So for this example, let's say we want to edit this one, the header. So just click on edit. Okay, so after that, you can just edit it like how you do it in the desktop version. So let's say I want to edit this section here. Just click on the pencil icon. So if you want to replace this picture here, just click on replace and just upload the picture that you want to replace it with. So if you want to attach link, you can just click here. So if you want to edit the design, just for this example, we want to edit the corner radius. Just click on this one. So let's say 1. Now next is the image effect. So let's say I want to have a effect for this image. Let's say I want to add this. Then you will see the effect. So let's say we want to, okay, this one. So you can see it much better. So let's say if you want to add an overlay, the color, say let's say we want it lighter. Okay, blend mode, light box. So if you want to edit the shape as well, say you want to make it a diamond, then you want to stretch it. So you can see, just you can edit it however you want using this settings here, and you can also edit the okay. Next, you can also edit all of these things here. Let's say I want to edit the text here. So let's say example text. Yeah, as you can see. Now this is how it will show on your mobile view. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.